Next up is a CRKT, and I don't know what this one's called, but it's a cool little knife. I think someone might have given this to me. It's made out of just a few pieces of metal. I guess I do know what it's called. It's a Peck, P.E.C.K. And this is one of the earlier ones, I believe. I've had it for a long time, and I just don't use it. So I figured I'd move it along to somebody who thinks it's clever and make a couple of bucks. It's got some sort of a little bearing in here, which is neat, incorporated into here, and it's just a frame lock, I guess. And it's nothing more than the frame itself, a blade, the pivot, a notch here, a peg here to keep the blade from flipping through all the way, I guess, and then a peg to open it, and then a clip on the back. And the blade itself is super strong. It's flat on one side, blade on the other, goes to a point, super useful. Actually, I don't even know if I want to sell this. That's why I keep playing with it. Anyway, neat little knife. I put that little piece of 550 on it. It makes it easy to pull out of a bag or find. And now I think I just talked myself into keeping it. But it's a neat little knife. If you want to get one for your own, I think they were $20 or something. I don't think they were real expensive, but I imagine we'll have a link in the description of this video. And check it out over on the Knife Buyer's Guide. Well, it's not the... check it out over on Knife Buyer's Guide, and stay tuned for more. It's most of these at auction, if I don't talk myself out of selling them, over on 24/7 Gun Show. Alright, thanks for watching.